on squirting me, I'm gonna show them. No! Okay, that's it, you do. Come on, it's hot! You keep on getting it all over.
That's why I'm squirting you.
No, but you're gonna make the floor harder. Oh my gosh. You know what says on there? No water. Show yourself. Oh yeah, hi guys, it's me, Cyan. No. Stop! She's gonna me all wet, but today I got a pug. His name is Doggy. I need to get on Summit. No.
Hold on you.
No. Okay. But I'm here at my friend's house because it's... Why are we here again?
Because it's Austin's birthday.
Because it's Austin's birthday. If you don't know who Austin is, I'm going to go show you guys. Okay. Oh my God. Brennan! It's not... Ow, it's hot. Why is it so hot in here? I'm going to put on my shoes. Ow! Oh my God, ow! I'm going to put on my socks if I can't put on my shoes then. Okay. Guys, it is really hot in there, especially since you put water on the floor. But yeah, I'll be back to you guys in 3, 2, 1. I have to stop or I'm telling on you! Stop! Well, make a slip and slide. See if it works. Oh my gosh, you're going first.
Yeah, I gotta get ready. I got like my swimsuit on or something.
Oh, wow, guys. He actually did it. So, he actually did it, guys. So now he's gonna like slide down it. But he's not gonna be the first one. I am. Yeah, you need your bathing suit for this. Okay, I'll be back with you guys in 3, 2, 1.
And the experiment to find out where on this planet do we find raw material. Through their incredible equipment, they find a planet that has this, it's got gold. So they decide, we're going to go there, we're going to mine. So they send some expeditions to find an Earth.
Guys, I'm going to show you my dog. What are you looking for? Okay, guys, so come on now. Come on, Boo Boo. This is Boo Boo. He's really cute and cuddly. And he has blue skin. Yeah, guys, this is my dog.
I know, I'll find another one.
And I love him.
Okay? I gotta go to the Jeep though. Where's the water gun? Get the water gun right now. I'll go to the Jeep and get it.
And he's a couple days old. Oh. Yeah, guys, so yeah. I'll be back with guys. He's so cute. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell and comment something nice. And One more time.